Thank you, Madam Vice President. This is a joint statement with the International Center for Justice. We would like to thank the High Commissioner for her report. Our NGOs appreciate the important work she is carrying out and reiterate our full support for her mandate. In particular, we thank the High Commissioner for her statement on Iraq, in which she talks about the execution practices in Iraq. Madam Vice President, in 2013, Iraq has seen several waves of executions, the latest of whom on August 19, when 17 people were executed in only one day. Our organizations are especially concerned that in addition to the 72 executions, there are at present 1,200 prisoners languishing on death row, whose execution the government of Iraq announced to accelerate, despite all international outcries. In this regard, we are surprised to learn that the Iraqi Ministry of Human Rights has persistently defended executions and even pushed to enforce them, publicly stating that executions in Iraq cannot be considered a very high number anyway. This is although it is well aware of the lack of fair trial standards in Iraq and that death sentences are often based on confessions extracted under torture. We also wonder if the Iraqi delegation that yesterday claimed in this council that all executed are terrorists did not read the latest report of the Secretary General on the question of the death penalty, criticizing the broad scope of the anti-terrorism law of Iraq, which provides the death penalty for a wide range of acts that cannot be considered as most serious crimes. Finally, we are extremely alarmed that in August the Iraqi Minister of Justice declared on television that the Iraqi government plans to amend a law that until now provides basic human rights to accused, only to execute at a higher rate. Madam Vice President, the recent wave of executions in Iraq is illegal under international law, but the government of Iraq could not care less about international law and outcries. On behalf of the 1,200 prisoners, international action could not be more urgent. Our NGOs urgently request that all human rights violations in Iraq be investigated by an international independent body and a special rapporteur on Iraq to be appointed. Thank you.